हॉरर फिल्म के लिए जो जल्दी रिलीज होने वाली है, हम सबके बीच आने वाली है, नाम जिसका बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग है और क्या कुछ इस फिल्म में हमें देखने के लिए मिलेगा, बात करने के लिए वी हैव द कैप्टन ऑफ द शिप, फिल्म के डायरेक्टर जय किशन हमारे साथ. जय, अ वार्म वेलकम टू यू ऑन पंजाब केसरी नवोदय टाइम्स.
Thank you, Nidhi. Thank you. Happy to be here.
फर्स्ट थिंग्स फर्स्ट, फिल्म का नाम जब इंटरेस्टिंग होता है तो इंट्रीग वो वैसे ही पैदा कर देता है. हाफ द एक्साइटमेंट इज ऑलरेडी देयर अमंग्स द ऑडियंस. नाउ दिस फिल्म, द टाइटल इज सो यूनिक. प्लीज थोड़ा सा इलैबोरेट कीजिए. व्हाट डज द बुक मीन?
See, Dibuk is a Jewish myth, and the film is based on Dibuk. Dibuk means a malicious spirit
Okay.
in Hebrew. So it's about a malicious spirit.
What kind of horror is it? Because horror में भी बड़े सारे genres देखने के लिए मिलते हैं. Now, since you explained what the book is, it's a folklore Egyptian. तो कहानी कैसे जाती है फिर आगे?
It's a horror thriller. So it's हम लोग we tried to make a engaging horror thriller without the safety net of comedy. So इसमें बिल्कुल it's not a horror comedy, it's a pure play horror. So with an engaging storyline. So 29th को we'll get to know कि how much it'll be able to scare the people.
Correct. You know, and as you yourself said, this is a horror film minus the comedy element, because in India, unfortunately, we've seen so many horror films, but they've not reached up the level of the other kind of films that we see in other languages. So this one, in that respect, is different.
See, we honestly tried to tell an engaging story, that to a horror concept, a Jewish myth in a very engaging way. So I think it's up to the audience to comment how scary or how engaging it is. We have tried our best. We had put our sweat and blood to make an engaging, thrilling, fearful ride. So let's hope so.
Okay, so fingers crossed for that.
Yeah.
But this also is a remake, the Hindi remake of the Malayalam super hit film that you yourself had directed, Hijra. So
Yeah, that's right.
That film was a super hit. It also was dubbed in Telugu and Tamil. So obviously the expectation bar for whoever has read about it is certainly going to be high. So what should the Hindi audience here expect? Another super hit?
I can assure it's gonna be an engaging film. So making a hit or a super hit, it's up to the people, up to the audience. So हमारा कोशिश ये था कि to make an engaging film, and मलयालम से भी scare question थोड़ा बढ़ाया है हम for the pan-Indian audience. So it's gonna be an engaging horror film. बाकी सब audience तैयार करेंगे.
All right. Okay. And if we talk about the casting process, how did the Indian or the Hindi casting happen? Like everybody knows, Imran Hashmi is an actor who has done a lot of horror films in the past. So did that make him an obvious choice, or there was a different process sort of? Yeah.
Obviously, Imran is an actor par excellence, and he has aced this genre in the Hindi films. So obviously, he has seen the film, and I had given him adapted screenplay. So film देखने के बाद, screenplay पढ़ने के बाद, he was in, and that's how. And an actor like Imran in a horror film, after a small break, I think I can't ask anything more than that.
So we've spoken, Jay, we've spoken about the casting. Let's talk about the filmmaking process. This film has been there in the making since 2019. So was pandemic the major reason that it got stalled and now we see an OTT release for it?
Because of pandemic, we all know that we had like 6-7 months कुछ हुआ नहीं था entertainment industry में. So yeah, that's the main reason for the film to get delayed. Pandemic, yeah, that's sole reason. So I
Okay.
shot my second
And
schedule after the first lockdown. So
okay. And I'm sure you must have faced a lot of challenges because when work restarted during this pandemic time, also there were a lot of adjustments that the industry had to make, right?
right. काफी restrictions था, काफी it was challenging. Make filmmaking. It's most of the scenes which we did was in a closed space. We were shooting mostly the horror sequences. So उसके लिए काफ़ी physical interaction is required, and because of certain COVID restrictions and stuff, थोड़ा difficult था. At the same time, it was challenging also. और irony ये था कि बाहर भी माहौल इतना scary था कोविड के वजह से, और हम लोग सेट में भी हॉरर सीक्वेंस स्केरी सीक्वेंसेस शूट कर रहा था. सो दैट वाज क्वाइट आयरॉनिक, बट समहाउ वी
Correct.
पुल्ड इट ऑफ.
So, I wanted to ask कि जब एक horror film shoot कर रहे हैं आप, which according, audience के सामने ऐसी आनी चाहिए, which always keeps us on the edge of our seats और बहुत scary दिखनी चाहिए. However, ऐसा कभी हुआ shooting के दौरान कि कुछ हुआ हो, बहुत intense scene चल रहा हो, but suddenly something happened which made everybody laugh?
फिल्म मेकिंग प्रोसेस में मेनली व्हेन यू शूट जंप स्केयर्स, इट्स ऑल अबाउट द टाइमिंग. अगर टाइमिंग थोड़ा आगे पीछे हुआ, देन द होल थिंग बिकम्स अ जॉक. सो शूटिंग के दौरान तो काफ़ी ऐसा होते रहते हैं. सो नथिंग मेजर, बट हंसी मजाक तो होते रहते हैं. When the camera is on, then we become, the actors become serious, and once the camera switches off, it's back to normal हंसी मजाक. So ऐसा कुछ particular incident याद नहीं आ रहा है मुझे, but it's like that.
Okay. Okay. So you have shot this horror film, जो अभी हिंदी में आपने बनाई है, then Ezra, of course, which was the original one. You've also directed a comedy. Out of these two genres, as an audience, अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं, if you were an audience, which is your favorite genre out of the two?
Oh, let me correct you. Comedy नहीं था, मेरा एक period film था. It was part of an anthology. Depends. ऐसा कुछ favorite genre नहीं है. Now at this moment, I would say my favorite genre is horror. So when I move on to my next, I would say depends upon what kind of story I want to tell, and that falls into a particular genre. So it's the story that motivates me and that drives me. The genre becomes secondary. For the book also, the story was quite interesting for me, and I want to tell that. So the story is primarily the primary thing. The genre becomes the second part. So yeah.
So what are the kind of stories जो आगे आप बताना चाहते हैं as the director, as a storyteller?
It depends. I wanted to make engaging films. I'm like that can entertain the people, that can engage whatever story it is, be it a period film, be it a comedy, be it a thriller, be it a supernatural. It has to engage the audience. Whatever subject you choose to say, it should engage the audience. It should take the audience along with them. So
Correct.
I think story or genre, whatever is engaging, whatever keeps the viewer hooked, that is my favorite story, favorite genre.
Okay. So we are eagerly waiting for more such stories to be told, which obviously, as an audience, हमें भी hooked रखें to whichever screen we are viewing it at. Now, since we have spoken on this topic of content is the king, और अभी अगर हम देखें, OTT has really given a lot of fire and life to this whole statement. जहाँ पर बहुत बड़ी-बड़ी फिल्म्स हैं या बहुत बड़ी-बड़ी सीरीज हैं, बहुत बड़े-बड़े इंडस्ट्री के नाम हैं who are shifting to the OTT. A lot of films are being released on the OTT platform. So how do you see this as a director?
It's an exciting time, and I think OTT and big screen, I believe it can coexist. So that's a wonderful thing for the entertainment industry. And when it
Correct.
comes to Debook, I am excited because Amazon Prime Video is bringing this film to 240 plus countries on a Halloween weekend. So it's streaming in a global platform. It has a global reach. That to a homegrown horror film, releasing on Halloween weekend worldwide. So we are pretty thrilled and excited. So
Correct.
waiting.
So I think with the book, you are giving India its own Halloween gift, and of course, it remains to be seen, as you yourself said earlier, the audience इसे कैसे perceive करती है. You've made an interesting thriller. अब audience उसको वैसा ही देखती है नहीं. That's to be seen. But what will be your message to the audience through our medium for the film to be, soon to be released?
I think they should watch the film and experience it. Experience the thrill, the ride, the horror, the fear, and I'm sure they will be happy that they will be engaged throughout. They will be entertained throughout. So once they watch it, I'll get to know how much thrilled they manage to, or how much fear they manage to get from the film.
Okay, so what you're looking at is that the audience should feel the fear and the thrill that you've tried to put in the film together, right?
Yeah, that was that's what we tried, to make an engaging, thrilling, fearful ride for the audience. So with Imran Hashmi as the lead actor, and Manav Kaul, Nikita Datta, Imad Shah, Darshana Banik. So I have a bunch of talented actors. So I think audience will be thrilled watching the film, I guess. So let's see. Let's wait till 29th.
Correct. And 29th will definitely tell everybody कि जो मेहनत आपने की है वो कितनी रंग लाई. And I think there's so many reasons the audience has. We all have to definitely watch the film. So yes, we indeed will. And review आपको definitely मिल जाएगा because this is a world of instant reviews also.
Yeah.
So on that note, thank you so much for this interview. And I wish you all the luck for the success of this film and definitely waiting for all the other exciting stories that you will tell.
Thank you, Nidhi. Pleasure is all mine.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Yeah, bye.